Alright, so Mac Miller Autopsy has revealed that he died from a combination of things. Overdose of fentanyl, cocaine, and alcohol. That's another one. This fentanyl shit. Fentanyl, whatever the fuck, however you want to say it. This shit is dropping people like flies. But guess what? This shit is legal. What's the real problem here, nigga? Fentanyl is legal. It's only a problem now because motherfucking Prince didn't drop dead from that shit. And all these motherfuckers is dying from this shit. Legalized drugs, y'all. Now it's a problem. These motherfuckers knew what that shit was gonna do to people.